Chapter 22 On the Move Again. Dhanu's village. Today, all the relatives have come to Dhanu's house to celebrate Dashera. They have come with their luggage in their bullock carts. Dhanu's father is the eldest in the family, so all the festivals are celebrated at their house. Dhanu's mother, I, mother's brother's wife, Mami, and father's brother's wife, Kaki, are busy making puran poli, that is sweet rotis made from jaggery and gram. Along with this, a spicy curry dish is also made. The day passes in laughing and chatting, but by evening everyone's mood changes. The women and children begin to pack the luggage. The men sit down with the mukaddam agent who lends money for the meeting. The mukaddam gives the detail of the loan taken by each family. Then the talks for the next few months begin. The Mukaddam explains to the villagers in which areas they would go for the next 6 months. He also gives them some money as loan for their expenses. Ever since Dhanu remembers, this has been the routine. Families like Dhanu's work on the lands of big farmers till Dashera, before the rainy season. Many other families also work on such land. They earn just enough money to keep them going through these months. But how to manage the remaining 6 months when there is no rain and no work in the fields? So everyone borrows money from the Mukaddam. To pay back this money, they have to work for the Mukaddam. Mukaddam is an agent for sugarcane factories. He helps them to find work in sugarcane fields. In the next few months, Dhanu, his parents, his kaka, father's brother, and his elder children, his mama, mami, and their 2 daughters, and 40-50 other families from the village will stay away from home. In these 6 months, Dhanu and many children like him will not be able to go to school. Dhanu's old grandmother, aunt who cannot see, and 2-month-old cousin sister would stay back in the village. In other homes too, the old and the ill people stay behind. Dhanu misses her grandmother a lot. Dhanu always keeps wondering who will take care of his grandmother. But what can Dhanu do? After Dashera, the caravan of these families would now settle near the sugarcane field and sugar factories. For 6 months, they would stay in their huts made of dry sugarcane and its leaves. The men will get up early in the morning and go to cut sugarcanes in the field. The women and children tie the bundles of sugarcane. Then the bundles are taken to the sugar factory. Dhanu often goes with his father. Sometimes they spend nights outside the factory on bullock carts. There, Dhanu plays with the bullock cart and wanders around. At the factory, Dhanu's father gets the sugarcane weighed and takes a receipt, a note to say how much sugarcane they have given. They show this receipt to the agent who then keeps an account to their loan. The agent also gives them some money for the next week expenses. Then Dhanu's I and Mami take the children to the nearby village market to buy atta, that is flour, and oil for the next week. Sometimes Mami buys laddu and some sweets for the children. She also buys pencils, an eraser, and a notebook for Dhanu. After all, he is Mami's favorite. But Dhanu won't be using this for 6 months because he won't be going to school. Mami wants Dhanu to study and become somebody in life. She does not want Dhanu to move around and his family like this. Mama and Mami tell Dhanu's parents, next time when we leave our village after Dashera, we will leave Dhanu with his Dadi and Chachi. He will go to school like other children in the village. He should continue his studies. He should study further and become somebody.